At BCH, we recognise that not all property owners want to commit to a site-based reinstatement cost assessment. Having assessed over 50,000 properties since 2006, we have some really valuable data in our files. So we spent the last year developing our new proposition, Benchmark. Here's how it works. The property details are sent to BCH, and we confirm that the property is appropriate for the benchmark process. In addition to the BCIS database, created in the 1960s and based on over 20,000 analyses of newly constructed buildings, a benchmark desk-based evaluation also uses BCH's own dataset of over 50,000 detailed reinstatement cost assessments. When it comes to buildings, we've seen it all, from old to new, large and small, ordinary and extraordinary. A simple report is produced in order to inform the insurance purchase. Using both datasets and the skilled eye of BCH surveyors, Benchmark will deliver a new gold standard in desk-based valuations to the market. Benchmark e-valuations from BCH.